Hello viewers, you're welcome to my tech guide channel. So this is HP desktop. So we are going to be looking at how to, you can see it here, you have the rolling fan and the power bank. So we want to remove the power bank. The first thing you need to do is you need to unscrew this, which I've already done. You need to unscrew it here. You unscrew this one also. You also unscrew this one, and you unscrew this one. So after you have through with the unscrewing all the bolts, so the next thing you need to do is for you to put it out, and you can see it here that it is not coming out. What you need to do is you need to look at wire, and first thing you have to do is make sure that all the wires are unplugged. You can see all these ones, you can see it here. This is P3, right? This one is for the RAM. This one is P2. Make sure that all these ones are being unplugged from the power bank. So the next thing that you need to do right now is for us to remove the power bank. So make sure that all these cables are unplugged from the motherboard. This is the motherboard. So make sure that it is unplugged. You unplug it also, and it's not connected to the power bank is not connected to any power plug. So make sure that it's been detached. So the next thing you have to do now is for us to remove it. So you just remove it easily, and then here you are. You have removed. Can you see it now? It has been totally removed. So I'll make sure that all the necessary thing that can cause dust is being removed from it. So this is how to remove the power bank. So this is the power bank, and you can just clean it and remove all the dust from it. Remove all the dust. You can see it here. You can see all the dust. So this is the power bank here. So we're good to go. So you can come in here and check all the wires here. These are the wires that are actually running from the motherboard down to the hard drive and CD-ROM here. So you can see the hard drive here. You can also see CD-ROM here. So that's how to remove the power bank. So just drop us any comment or any information that we'd like to know more. If you have any issue with any of your laptops, with any of your desktops, or any of your gadgets or accessories, just send us a WhatsApp message, and we're going to be glad to respond to it. Thank you. God bless you.